Well guys, I've been out in the shop. I'm running parts of one kind or another. I got some castanite here. Hopefully, got a 5-gallon bucket of castanite and some hardener. This is Epoxy Granite. Buddy of mine, Chris, got us a deal on this castanite. I'm going to be putting some epoxy fill in the bottom of the column here, and of course under the base. As you can see, everything's just kind of piled up over here because I've been so busy making parts and doing other things that I just have not had time literally all year to work on the linear rail conversion. It's pretty much just as I left it with the datums mounted. I was going to go ahead and mount the rails, however I decided to go ahead and do the epoxy granite fill, so I'll probably be working on that next. I'm hoping I can get caught up on running these parts, that I can get back on this in about a week or two. That's just the way it goes when you're doing these conversions. Sometimes they just take longer than you expect. And mainly that's just because I'm just so busy doing other things. Anyhow, we're gonna continue running these parts and get back on that. As you can see, we're full bore on the mill here. I've been talking with, let me get out of the shop there. I've been talking with my buddy Wyatt about maybe getting a Pearson pallet system so I can increase my productivity on the mill. I use fixtures, but I'm not using the machine to its full capability, so I need to do that. It's just been a matter of time thing. It's been kind of crazy. So anyways, hopefully I can get back on this. Been doing a lot of screen sets. I've been working on screen sets for various kind of machines. Recently finished up fine-tuning the ATC screen set for the Style X5 with the rack. Got several people out there currently running it. So yeah, busy and get these parts run so I can get back up on my projects. I've just been extremely busy, so hopefully I can get back on this in a couple of weeks or so. Stay tuned, and we'll eventually get back on this. Thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to kind of give you an update of what's going on. Just extremely busy, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you have any suggestions or questions, please feel free to comment. Please don't suggest iron help, because that's not going to work. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe.